Laki sa buong mundo. Itong isa sa mga performers mo mula sa iyong category. Sino to?
Sobrang proud ako na i-introduce to dahil, wow, pinatunayan niya talaga na great things come in small packages. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about KZ.
Chosen that song for Casey, but I think I know what you're trying to show us.
This isn't not just soft Casey, it's just very relaxing. Sa ganitong competition, di pwede yung okay lang. Dapat yung performance mo kailangan mag-stand out.
Pasok ka pa rin, Casey!
Simula po akong kumanta nung 3 years old ako. 10 years old ako, sumali ako ng national singing competition. Sinerte po ako, talagang nag-college ako. Meron ako mga na-meet na mga friends, so naging band.
Pinigil song for Casey, dali niya bigyan ng kanta. Kahit anong kanta, kaya niya ibahin yung style, the KZ style.
Excited po ako nung nalaman ko yung kanta. I was expecting it to be like parang ballad na version.
Whether they like it or not, I think itong kanta na to, maganda at bagay para kay KZ.
Nagdiwala pa rin ako sa mentor ko. Gagawin ko po lahat na makakaya ko.
From K to Z.
Casey, I know that last week she was a little upset with me kasi sinabi ko, I saw her kasi diba she was already crying because I was telling her na kinanta mo last week parang hindi was the wrong choice of song, so now I'm asking your forgiveness. Yes, please. I'm sorry also, Miss Charisse. I'm sorry because you're so great.
Alam ko, pag tinanong ang mga taong nanonood kung bakit sila nanonood ng X Factor, ang sasabihin nila, ikaw, KZ!
Ikaw! KZ! KZ!
Parang ang sarap sabihin na, hello, KZ, ito yung nakita ko first time. Yung talagang, yung tama sa akin ay parang, wow! Diba? Tunay talaga.
Yes!
Yung technique ko Pero never. You did a good job of doing it.
You know, sarap ng feeling ng maging
Sobra.
mentor niyong dalawa ni Allen. Kahit na nung nandito pa si Jerian, I have to be honest.
Love you, Jerian!
Sobrang ang sarap ng feeling na maging mentor niyo. Proud ako sa'yo. You did great. You did so great.
Maraming salamat, judges. KZ! You are driving everyone crazy!
Bagay sa kanya yung suot niya.
KZ, last week, pinag-sinilis ang iyong kanta. Ba't ka nanginginig? Ngayon naman, bilib na bilib na siya sa'yo. Kung kayo naman, mga kapamilya, ay napabilib rin kay KZ, you can text XM space KZ. Voting lines will open very, very soon. Thank you very much, KZ. Thank you. Okay. Martin, sino naman ang susunod na panlaban mo?